Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're diving into one of the most versatile and capable dual-sport motorcycles on the market, the 2026 KTM 690 Enduro R. Famous for its raw power, rugged design, and off-road dominance, the 690 Enduro R continues to set benchmarks in the adventure and dual-sport segment. The 2026 model refines this legacy with sharper styling, upgraded tech, and performance improvements that make it more thrilling than ever. Let's explore what makes this machine a standout in its class. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 KTM 690 Enduro R carries the signature aggressive KTM styling with sharper bodywork and revised graphics. The bike looks lean and purposeful, built for the trails yet equally striking on the streets. The ergonomics are updated with a slimmer seat profile and revised tank shrouds, giving riders more comfort and mobility during long rides or technical off-road maneuvers. The LED lighting setup has been modernized, improving visibility while adding to the bike's bold, aggressive appearance. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the 2026 690 Enduro R remains the legendary 693 cubic centimeters single-cylinder LC4 engine, now fine-tuned for smoother power delivery and reduced vibrations. It offers an impressive balance of torque and top-end performance, making it equally capable of highway cruising and tackling rugged off-road terrain. The 6-speed gearbox with Quickshifter Plus enhances riding dynamics, while ride-by-wire ensures precise throttle response. KTM's latest suspension tuning with XPLOR forks and shock delivers improved control and comfort, whether you're carving through trails or navigating city streets. Safety and technology. KTM continues to pack the Enduro R with advanced rider aids. The 2026 model includes updated ride modes, lean-sensitive traction control, cornering ABS, and off-road ABS for greater confidence on any surface. The new TFT display is brighter and more intuitive, offering easy access to settings and smartphone connectivity. With improved electronics and refined controls, the bike gives riders more confidence and customization than ever before. Conclusion. The 2026 KTM 690 Enduro R proves why it remains a leader in the dual sport category. With its powerful engine, refined handling, and modern tech, it is a machine built for riders who demand versatility and excitement both on and off the road. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more updates on the latest motorcycles and adventure machines shaping the future of riding.